Hello viewers, welcome to my channel once again. In this video, I will explain you about how to select multiple cells at a time using VB scripting, and also we will discuss how to apply basic formatting options using VB scripting in Excel. So let's get started. So here is the sample data on which I am going to apply those settings. Now let's open the VB script window, developer, Visual Basic. So I have a subroutine with the name called select multiple cells. If you do not have that subroutine, just go to insert and click on module. Now let's type a line which will select the multiple cells. So it's very simple. As you can see here, range A1 to A1 colon C1 will select the entire cells. Now, as I said, we will learn multiple selection as well as some basic formatting options. So I'll show you how to apply bold, italic, underline, and how to remove them using the VB script. So let's type the code related to that options. So very simple, selection.font.bold is equals to true. So when I write true here, the option will get applied. If I write the false here, the option will get removed. So to apply bold, we have to write true, and to remove bold, we have to use the false. Let's also activate or apply italic and underline. So it's very simple. I have applied bold, italic, underline by using true, and I also removed those settings by using false. Let's execute line by line and check what happens when we execute this code. F8 is the function key which is used to see the execution line by line. So here, as you can see, the range got selected. Then now see the bold effect. Look at this, bold applied, italic applied, and then underline. Now it's time to remove those settings. Now the text has become normal as it was in the beginning. So here we will also learn some formatting option like applying the background color to the cells. Let's see how can we do that. So to apply background color to the cells, we have to write the range interior.color is equals to VB red. Here VB is the common, and you can mention any color here, green, white, black, blue, whatever you want, you can write it here. Now let's apply the font color. So here I'm trying to explain you about how to apply the background color using interior.color and font color. Font name means any name which is available in this list. So I have used here Broadway, this style, as a font name. Then font size, right now it is 11. I increased it to 14 using the VB script. So now let's execute the entire code and we'll check the line by line execution. Red, blue, style got changed here, and size. So friends, in this video, this is the concept. Hope you understood the concept. Please do subscribe to my channel for getting latest video updates. Hit bell button. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for watching it till the end. Thanks for watching.